Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today in this video we will know some body organs name in English and Nepali. So guys, let's start the video. 12 body organs names are given here. Number first is kidney. As we all know that kidney means mirgola. Number 2, liver. Liver means calezo. Number 3, lungs. Lungs means foxo. Number 4 is pancreas. Pancreas means anase, its Nepali meaning. Number 5 is intestine, its Nepali meaning is andhra. Number 6 is brain. Brain means mastiska. And number 7 is heart. As you all know that heart means mutu. 8 urinary bladder means mutra thaili. Number 9 is gallbladder. Gallbladder means pittasa. And number 10 is urethra means mutra marga. Number 11 is esophagus. Esophagus means anna pardali. Number 12 is spinal cord means merudan. Guys, in this video only this much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and like my Facebook page and YouTube.